As DC Explains back, I live in Vermilion, right next to the Great Lakes, and we got a bunch of lake effect snow. Oh man, it's touching. Gotta protect this camera, my mom's phone, and all this stuff. Yeah, it's pretty intense. Sometimes the winds can kick up, and then you get what I call dusters. A second. Okay, I'm just trying to keep this phone safe from all that snow. Dang it, wait, I should have brought my umbrella. Good thing I thought about that. Handy dandy umbrella. Alright. Start talking about these things. Dusters, following intense wind, just kicks up, and then spiraling columns of snow form. Not very big, but they're still cool to see. Not deadly either, so it's worth a try. I was hit by some sleet earlier. Didn't really hurt that much. Unluckily, I don't have a hoodie here. Why did I come out here without a hoodie? It's about pretty deep if you compare my garage I just opened to the snow. It's pretty damn deep. But it's even deeper out here where you're also in contact with the warm insides, which makes it deeper and makes it melt slower. Oh, by the way, it's 9, and Happy Christmas. Not at Christmas, actually. It's close to. Got off of here, and there. Okay. If you want to see this classic windmills I always see in comparison, if I blow this towards these, duster. Swear I just saw a duster. Anyways, if you point this into the direction of the wind and to see the speed that it twirls, yeah, it's so strong that it gets flipped around. Pretty intensely. I'll just show you how deep it is. That's about the deepness of it. Dang it, no, my other glove. I'm gonna have to be appended on my right one. Thankfully, I'm double-handed. Alright, everybody. Set you up for a time lapse.